Hello children, Subtraction, Class 4, Subject Mathematics, Chapter 4, and this is the Part 1. Okay, so in the previous class we have studied about the addition and problems on addition with carry, without carry, and few verbal problems. Right? So in today's class we will study about the subtraction. So first let us study about the number representation as we have already studied in the addition. Right? So let us just recall whatever we have studied. So we have learnt how we can write any number however big with just the 10 digits, that is 0 to 9. So using the numbers only from 0 to 9 we will be able to write any big number. Right? So the position value, ones place is 1 and tens place is 10 ones and hundreds place is 10 tens and thousands place has 10 hundreds. So the digit 2, for example, is just its face value of 2 in the ones place and 20 in the tens place and 200 in the hundreds place and 2000 in the thousands place. Conversion among place values. So we have learnt in the previous video that while adding digit by digit starting from the ones place, we may have to convert 10 pieces of the current position to one piece of the next higher position. We called it carry. Right? So we have already studied about this. Now subtraction of 4-digit numbers. So subtraction once again is performed digit by digit starting from the ones place. Just like the addition that we have studied in the previous class, you have to start the subtraction also from ones place. Okay, so whenever the digit in the second number is larger than the corresponding digit in the first number, we have to borrow from the next higher place of the first number. Okay, so when there is two numbers, okay, so in that when a second number is larger, okay, so you have to take a borrow from the next higher place of the first number. Therefore, you will reduce the higher digit by 1 and you will add 10 to the current digit of first number. Okay, so we use the fact that 10 into 1 is 10, 10 into 10 is 100 and 10 into 100 is 1000. So to convert 110 to 10 ones or 100 to 10 tens or 1000 to 10 hundreds. So about this I will be explaining. Okay, so first in today's class let us study about the subtraction without borrowing. So what happens without borrowing? See here, so for this all the number of the first number has to be bigger than all the numbers of the second number. Okay, so please remember this children. Here, what is the number here? 7549. So you are subtracting 2513 from 7549. Okay, so what is the condition for a subtraction without borrowing is that, so every digit in the second number should be less than or equal to the corresponding digit in the first number. Which means what? So here 3 has to be less than 9 and 1 has to be less than 4, or it can be equal but it cannot be more than the first number. So this is what is the condition for a subtraction without borrowing. Okay, so here as just like addition we have to start from ones place. So it is 9 minus 3. So what is 9 minus 3? It is 6. Right? And what is 4 minus 1? It is 3. And 5 minus 5 is 0 and 7 minus 2 is 5. Right? So you can do the other method also. Instead of 9 minus 3, you can start from 3 and you can count till 9. Okay, after 3 is what? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So you get 6 as the answer. So you can do that method also or you can subtract directly from 9. Is it clear children? So what is the answer that you have got? It is 5036. Is it clear children? So what did we study in today's class? We have studied about the number representation, conversion among place values and subtraction without borrowing. So here are few questions. So you have to solve all these questions. Is it clear children? So these are without borrowing. Okay. Thank you children. Let's meet in next class.